Welcome, it's Enes here. In this video, you are about to learn how to add caption to YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, or any video you need to place caption on. Placing captions on video is more interesting to watch. This video on your screen is a video with no captions, and also this video is a video with caption. Which one gives you attention? Let me know in the comment section. If today is your first time watching me, my name is Enes. If you like the kind of content you see on this channel, please make sure to subscribe and tell a friend about this channel. Alright, to make this happen, you need a tool called Descript. It is a free tool, also easy and simple to use. First thing first, you need a free account. To do that, you need to download the app from the website at www.descript.com. to install it on your Windows PC or Mac. I will place the link in the description box below. Okay, if this is something that interests you, then let's dive into the video. On your dashboard on the Descript website, scroll down to the bottom and go to download. It will give you a prompt for you to download the app on your PC. Make sure to install it and create a free account. After installing and creating the account, it will bring you to this dashboard. Go to New Project. This is where the magic is going to happen. This is where you are going to upload your video that you want to add the caption on. To do that, you need to change the title. After changing the title, go to Choose a file to transcribe. This pop-up message will appear. Change the speaker name to your name. Continue by typing done and wait for your video to transcribe. After the transcription, you can go to the bottom and go to the playback and play back your video to check if all the words are correct. So let's check it out. Hi, in this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code in Canva. Think about what QR code you want to generate. For me, I'm going to generate QR code for my Instagram page. If that is what you want to do, then copy your Instagram page link and follow along on your Canva dashboard on canva.com. After the playback, I've realized all the text here, some of them are not correct. Like example, cover is Canva. If you want to change it, you type on the keyboard C to change it. After that, then you hit on the collect or enter to change it. You can go through and check and do all the collections. Now that all the collection has been made, let's play back and watch the video. Hi, in this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code in Canva. Think about what QR code you want to generate. For me, I'm going to generate QR code for my Instagram page. If that is what you want to do, then copy your Instagram page link and follow along on your Canva dashboard on canva.com. Now, to add your caption, you go to the top here and type on T and go to caption. Let's play back the video again. Now you can see your caption has been placed on your video. Now it's time for us to beautify the caption by changing the font, changing the border, adding background color, and also a few more. Now to do that, you tap on the caption and go to the sidebar here. Opacity 100%. Also the layout. You can also see the text and the front. So there's more front here to choose from. I'm going to select this one and go to extra bold. You can also change the align to center or left or right. I'm going to maintain the center. You can also change the position. So if you want your caption to be in the middle, you tap on the middle here and drag your caption to the middle like this. Let's play back and see. Hi, in this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you how to create, but I think I'll prefer the bottom, so I'll drag it back to the bottom. You can also change the background color. So to do that, you tap on the color. You can drag it and change the color to your prefer. So I'm going to maintain the green color. After that, you can also change the border color. So I'm going to change it to black. To also change the fill color to red. So let's do that. Like this. Nicely. Let's play back. I'm going to show you how to create QR code in Canva. Think about what QR code you want to generate. Nice. Now you have the idea how you can change your caption, colors, fonts, background, and borders. This is very simple. You can also change the style of the caption. To do that, you go to caption and go to settings and go to custom. You have 3 styles to choose from, so I'm going to select this one. You can go through and change and see which one is perfect for your caption. You can also change the fill here and also the background and also feature words. Now that you know all the twists, you can go ahead and go through and change everything that perfects you. So let's do it. Alright, after twisting all the settings and you are okay with your caption, now it's time for you to download your video. So to do that, you go to publish. Here there is a few settings that you can go through and twist them. We don't need all of this. So go to export and type on export. Here you can select where you want your video to save. Whilst the video is exporting, let me ask you this question. Have you subscribed to this channel? If no, please make sure to subscribe and turn on post notification for any future updates. What do you think about this website? Are you going to try it? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoy watching this video, give me a like and tell a friend about this channel. Let's watch our final results. Hi, in this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code in Canva. Think about what QR code you want to generate. For me, I'm going to generate QR code for my Instagram page. If that is what you want to do, then copy your Instagram page link and follow along. On your Canva dashboard on canva.com, go to the sidebar and type on app. You can set the QR code in the search bar, or you can also scroll down to popular. You see the QR code, type on that. This dialog box will appear. Enter URL. So the Instagram page link that you copy, paste it in here. After that, click on generate code. In a few seconds, your QR code will be generated. You can also customize your QR code, the background color, the foreground color, and also the margin. Like this video, follow for more Canva tips. I have the full video in the description box below. Peace out. There you have it. What do you think about this website? In my opinion, this website is a game changer and is going to help a lot, especially myself. So if you are going to try this website, let me know in the comment section. And also, if you go and you have any problem or questions, come back here and ask the question. I am always available to help. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, give me a like, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification, and do your best to tell a friend about this channel. I have this amazing tutorial on the screen, how to generate QR code in Canva. Enjoy watching it. Peace out.